Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your currency on a Temu, guys, and it's actually really easy and simple. I'm going to guide you how to do this step by step, so just follow along. First things first, what I need you to do is I need you to open up a Temu app on your device or just visit their website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, what I need you to do is I need you to go to the profile icon or the menu button, okay? And this is usually located at the bottom of the app or the top right corner of the website. You want to tap on it to basically access your account settings, and then you want to just scroll down. Okay, scroll down and look for the option labeled currency or something similar depending on your app version. So you want to select it to open the settings, and here guys you'll see a list of all the available currencies. You just want to choose the one you want to use from the list, and once selected guys, the app or website will automatically update to display prices in your preferred currency. So finally, guys, you want to confirm your selection and you're all set, guys. The prices will now appear in the currency you have chosen. It's literally that easy and simple, guys, to change your currency on Temu. So if this video helps you out, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribe to the channel and turn on those bell notifications so you get notified next time, frequently asked questions uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next one.